Hey, what's up, y'all? I just got out of bed. I've been like rotting and shit. And God, I thought the snow was like a nothing burger, but check that shit out. You can still see the flakes coming down. Damn, wow, see them coming off that tree over there too. But yeah, high key, I was in a smoke circle last night, and I got back way too late, so all the stores and shit were closed. So I'm gonna have to do something to get some shit. There, I look less like a hippie now with my hair brushed. So I'm down at the street. There's no hope if you don't have four-wheel drive. Saw someone speeding on down through here in a truck earlier. You can see their tire marks. Either they got four-wheel drive or they're just texting. One or the other. But it's also harder walking through the snow than it seems. So I've gotten down a good way. About past this first stop sign right here. There were a few people on four-wheel drive vehicles earlier rolling through. See the fresh tracks they've left. Excuse me. Okay, I'm about at the end of our street where it connects with the main one. See, it goes downhill a good bit. Hoping I don't slip and bust my ass. All right, y'all. I'm almost at the stop sign. Almost there. And another thing that sucks. Trying to get my words in order. So the place I was gonna walk to, they're closed, but there is a gas station slash family, a mom and pop store that is right next to them that's open. So I'm gonna walk there. It's kind of a gas station though, so I'm not expecting to get everything I need, but if I can at least get a few things, then we'll be set. The only thing I hate about the snow is it's kind of hard to walk through. But on this shit, it's pretty slick. And also, if there's a vehicle coming, I can get out the way much easier. Yeah, it is, walking through the snow is more difficult than one would assume. Okay. Roads are still pretty fucked out to here too. This is one of the main roads, hell. You can see the mill right there. crow somewhere out there tweaking. Wonder what the hell all this white stuff on the ground is and why it's so cold. Crows have feathers, they'll be fine. My freaking heel is like rubbing against the back of my boot. I know that's just gonna blister later. Oh. So a few people just drove by in a truck, offered me a ride into town, but it's not quite where I'm going. That'd be too far of a walk. Whew. Thinking initially I probably should have said yes. But oh well. Getting this walk in, getting these steps in. Okay. Getting closer and closer. And honestly, I didn't check the exact temperature, but I notice it's cold due to the snow, obviously. But when you're constantly in movement the way I am, your body just constantly kind of just radiates heat because of the energy you're burning. So that's what it's doing for me right now. So like, I don't really feel cold and shivering. Now, if I stop for a few minutes to take a picture or whatever, yeah, I would be very, very cold. Oh, but we're almost there. And sorry about my voice too for how stuffy it is. I know I sound like that blonde bowl hair fucker off Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword, but it's a cold. Nothing I can control. Back up over there in the distance. That's where Brasstown Bald is. It's the tallest point in the whole state of Georgia. And normally, hold on, my camera's being a faggot. AKA it's hard to use with gloves. Okay, so during the day when the weather's good, well, it is day right now, but sunny and all that shit, good visibility, you can see it all the way out there. It looks like a camel hump, as one of my friends calls it. And you can see a little stick poking out the top. That is a fire watchtower. Now, I have been to Brasstown Bald a few times, mainly like at least 2 years ago. I haven't been there at all like recently, like since I actually moved into Georgia. We lived in North Carolina before, but anyway, and I heard some roosters crowing back at that tree farm, all this shit. And I think that's neat because I know they farm Christmas trees here, but I also didn't know they were farming chickens. That's pretty cool. Kind of just see it all out through here. It looks like that one painting by Peter Bruegel the Elder. But yeah, hell. I was about to just say fuck it and not do this walk, but it really ain't bad when you get to the main road. Or not as bad. Hell, when I was walking down the hill our camper's on, I was slipping and sliding. I even tried to see if I could slide down it entirely, but I only slid like 5-6 feet and I had snow all over me, so I had to get back up. God, you just about can't really beat this view. Like, I know Colorado's beautiful. I've been there once before, and I've been to New Mexico twice. You know, where the Rockies are. Sangre de Cristo, or Blood of Christ, if you're in New Mexico, but that's just an extension of the Rockies. Anyway, like, yeah, I'm gonna be real, them fucking big-ass mountains, they mog the hills out here, but honestly, fuck the view at the top of the hill. What matters is being inside them woods and the mountains, you know, seeing all them springs and caves and other wild, cool shit. Oh, there's some birds over there. If I had a better zoom on this camera, I could probably do some killer bird photography. But oh well, it's a good ass camera. It's an upgrade from my SC2. Which is still a good ass phone. Hell, it's funny too, I was gonna go on a date today. But y'all can see how that went out. Didn't go out in my favor at all. Creek ain't frozen. Washed over there. See all that wind and shit back there blowing the snow. That chill sucks a little bit, but I'm wearing 2 shirts. There's a car up here coming. Wearing 2 shirts, 2 jackets, a beanie plus my hood over it, 2 pairs of socks, and work boots. So out there's like mountains and shit. Blood Mountain. That's this way, south, pointing that way. You can see all that shit out through there. But it's so damn snowed over right now. You can't see shit. Yes, sir. A couple gentlemen came up, seeing if I'm good. Said something. Damn. There's like a whole underside to the bridge too. See some river cane down there. Pretty cool. Cool. Fingers crossed this place is open. Okay, y'all. I made it. And I got my shit, but I'm gonna use the toilet and then walk back. Okay, y'all, I'm heading back now. Probably not gonna film too much on the walk back because hands are kind of full right now. But I am heading back. Okay. I've been walking for, well, it feels like a while. Okay. Almost up that hill. I'm about fucking winded right now. Holy shit. Whew. All right, y'all. I'm back at the driveway. I just got a teeny bit of walking left to do. I'm probably just gonna end the video here. So I'm gonna yap the fuck on, and y'all have a great day.